Hi, summertime is almost over. I'm here in New Jersey, Garden State, New Jersey. We have 3 months of summertime to enjoy the sunshine and to take advantage of planting some vegetable. Here we go. This is my friend's house. I visited him because I need some vegetable before it goes away for freezing time. See? Look at this grass. This is the evergreen here. This stays during winter time. I have to look for my friend who plants some vegetable all the time. Ed, but I have to wear mask as required. Ed.
Yes, hi, good morning.
Hi. This is Ed, my friend. He do all this planting. Ed, will you show me your plantation here?
Okay. In front, right here, you will have one line of tomatoes up to the end. And over there, the next
Oh, this is look.
are green beans.
Look at these tomatoes here. Wow.
And behind the
growing
green
well.
beans, you will see the bitter gourd or bitter melon or ampalaya in Tagalog. The
This
one with
one
the
here?
yellow flowers. Those are bitter melon, bitter gourd.
Look at this. I never know that. Oh, wow.
Yep,
So nice.
that's it. Yeah.
Bitter melon is really vine. Look.
Yes.
Yesterday I was talking to Dr. Manny Rotsa about bitter melon, and it's really good for our health, and it's good to lower the blood sugar. It's lower the AIC for diabetic person, but only this is for supplement.
So the ampalayas are along the fence, and if we go farther at the end of the fence, we have more plants there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Wow,
And,
so nice.
I want you to go under the fence over here, and you will see the 3 big bitter gourds, which will be used for seeds next year.
Oh wow, inside in
Right
there?
here, right here. Right there.
Okay, let me see. Let's take a look. Oh, there, I found it. Oh, it's here.
Yep, and one behind you.
One behind me.
Yeah, right there in front
Oh,
of you.
look at this. See? This is for next year.
Yeah, the seeds will come from those big ones.
Wow. Wow. Nice.
And over here we have the eggplants. And along the fence we have the okras right here. I have to pick some okras for you right here.
Okay.
And then we have the tomatoes too. And then right here we have the green beans. I have to pick some, the big ones for you. We have the green beans along this side too. Right here. And in front of me are tomatoes. Then if we go to this side, we have tomatoes again. And then we have the ampalayas there. Right here.
Wow.
Then this end, there's some eggplants again. Eggplants on the pots and eggplants on the ground. These are all eggplants. And then we have tomatoes, the eggplants on this pot, right there. And then we have again the okra.
Oh, wow.
Then we have some ampalayas and cucumber there. I put some flowering on the side because they are under the tree.
Wow. Nice.
Some flowers. Then we have eggplants again. And tomatoes on the side. These eggplants are just starting to have flowers. And here. Some green beans and cucumber here. Then I have some ampalayas again here. They're crawling over these bushes.
Ang palaya ba?
And then I have tomatoes again right here. Take a picture of the red tomatoes.
Wow. Nice.
And then I have a big cucumber right here. It is 1 foot long. 1 foot long. My cucumbers are late because I sowed the seeds, and there's another cucumber there which I can pick for you right here.
Oh. Ooh, thank you so much. Wow, look at this. I have a lot. This is for tonight. This is for 4 days actually.
The beetle gourd,
Thank you.
these plants like to crawl over the bush. I don't know why. So I planted those plants around the bush so they can crawl over. Then I have some tomatoes again here. Take a picture of those big tomatoes. And then we have green beans again, right there. And these big eggplants will be for my seeds next year.
Wow,
That one.
this is for next year.
Yep, that's for next year. So you see I have some plants on the pots. Did you take a picture of this? The videos and over there. And that's it. For 3 months, maybe up to 4 months, maybe, if lucky, I'm doing the garden. So starting May, June, July, August until September. That's a total of 4 months. And then October, the plants started to die. And November, they're all gone. It's snow time. And thank you. And thank you again for videoing my garden. Thank
You're
you very
welcome.
much.
You know, this is once every year. And look what I gathered. Look what he gave me. This is a lot, like for 1 week of dinner. So good. Mr. These are all fresh. And now it's only like soon it's gonna be winter. And what will you do with this? You're gonna plant some of this.
Yep. Yeah.
Wow, look. I have a good dinner tonight. Wow. Thank you so much, Ed. And I will tell my friend to come to you. You have more here.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of red tomatoes.
Uh-huh. Yes, thank you. This is Stephen again. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.